not know? Hello, somebody. Welcome back to the live. How have you been? And where are you going for college? Are you in your first year? Hello, Whoopi. Hello, dinosaurs. Where the mecha community? We're done. We have to study for real now. 34 days left before the upcut, by the way. It's not so short, guys. The upcut is so close. Where is mine? What's called? Thank you for following. If you're new here, guys, make sure to follow. We're just answering some upcut questions together. Well, yeah, 7 p.m. live, yes. 7 p.m. live because I'm gonna have dinner later. And it's a Saturday, guys. I feel like you will want to brain rot later. The mic's off? What's wrong with the mic? Hello? Is this not on? Wait, let me check. Oh, it's not on. Wait, let me check the mic. The mic is not on. Let's see. Mic. Oh, it's not working. What about this one? Wait. Hello, Jericho. Welcome to the live. The DP was, I didn't go to Diliman. I plan to transfer na lang. I think you're gonna learn to like it there in Tarlac. Wait, guys, the mic is bad though. But I don't know, it's not changing right now. Let me add a mic. Hello? Hello, mic. Bro, no, sige, goes. School got so busy, I stopped watching. It's okay, bro, no scandal. Hello, everybody. Hello to the 100 people here. I'm just trying to fix my mic. Is the mic okay, or do we have to relive? Because it's not. I can't add a new mic. What about this mic? Is this mic better? How about this mic? Oh, it's okay. 34 days left, yes, guys. You should start studying. Okay, we're gonna stick to this mic for now. Ayaw niya. Oh, hello? There. Okay. Let's stick to this mic. Hello to everybody there. Okay. The mic's not working. We're gonna stick to this mic then. 34 days left, guys. I mean, madami pa rin yun, I believe. 34 days left. You can still do so much in that time. That's why we're here to study every day together. So let's start with this question. Sorry to everybody waiting. We're gonna start with number 30. I'm gonna put up the poll. So start testing out your intuition. Hello, Silu. Opening the poll. Starting the poll. Okay, let's see. We can go live until like 8:15 today, depending what time po si Sir JP. Who's there? Who's there? What time si Sir JP? Okay, let's go to number 30. Number 30. Graph x plus 4 is less than or equal to 6, and negative 4x is less than 16. So what does this mean? What does this mean, guys? I think we have to understand. Frick, how do I do this? I know how to do this. How do we do this? X plus 4 is less than. Let's try to first solve both of them. Let's try to isolate this one and isolate this one. So let me just write that down over here. Let's make this x plus 4 is less than or equal to 6, and negative 4x is less than 16. Less than positive 16. So first, let's solve for this one. All you have to do to solve for inequalities is ibab like just imagine it's an equal sign, okay? So inequalities is just an equal sign, and all you have to do is solve for x. So basically, i-transpose lang natin to the other side si 4. This will be x is less than 6 minus 4 because we moved it to the other side, and that will give us x is less than or equal to 2. Tapos for this one, the only difference ng inequality sa equations is kapag magdi-divide ka na, so 'di ba this one we have to solve for x. Pag magdi-divide tayo by a negative number or multiply by a negative number, flip around. Yes. The sign flips around like that, like Wicked Witch. So it becomes x is greater than 16. Huh? X is greater than negative 4 kasi 16 over negative 4 is negative 4. So when we put these two together, when we put them together, it will be negative 4 is less than x, but x is less than 2. So negative 4x tapos 2. So now, how do we graph that out? So ang gagawin lang natin is we have what we call this open point and the shaded point. So, shaded siya kapag may equal sign like this, the less than or equals to sign. But kapag walang less than or equals to sign, which is the line under here, when this line doesn't have an equal sign, it's just an open point, meaning hindi kasama si negative 4. Where do you get the worksheets? Welcome to the live. If you're new here, make sure to follow. The worksheets are for free on my Instagram channel. There are hundreds of free reviewers over there. Because over here we believe in free education. Follow me on Instagram, guys, and then check my IG highlights. What part, Nicole? So we know that the answer is negative 4 less than x, but x is less than or equal to 2. So dahil may less than or equal sign here, it has to be a shaded point. So let's look at the choices. Which has a shaded point on 2? Tama ito and tama ito. But mali na agad C, C, and D. Kasi nawawala yung point over there. So, we're doing the process of elimination. Now, on the other hand, dapat may negative 4. And x should be greater than negative 4. So, kung greater than negative 4 siya, dapat there's a point over here. Is it wrong? Am I wrong right now? Or should it be less than? I think the choice is wrong. Is the choice not wrong? I think there should be a point over here. And then it's shaded. We go live every 8 p.m. I love being shady. Shaded. Yung meaning ng shaded, guys, is kunyari may x is less than 2. Dapat may shade siya sa 2 kasi kasama yung 2. Kasi may equal to 2 siya. Pero kapag wala siyang shade, basically, ang sinasabi is hindi kasama si 4 mismo. Yun yung meaning ng no shade. No shade over here. Kapag may shade siya, ibig sabihin kasama si 4. That's what that means. Okay? Wrong ang choices. Pag wala yung sagot, ibig sabihin mali yung choices kasi tama ako lagi. Yan ang sagot. But basically, I think it should look like my open shade over here, tas hanggang dito lang siya. That is my answer. It's none of the above. So the answer is Regine Velasquez. If you answer that in the poll, you get it correct. My shortcut, madali lang to. Madali lang to. Super base lang yan. Let's see in another number. But yeah, I think the shortcut there is, eto, alam mo na may equal sign siya. So, shaded dapat yung part dito. And then dito, walang equal sign or walang line under the less than. So, it's not shaded. So, dapat may answer na no shade and may answer na shaded. And then you have to put those two together. But yeah, the answer's not there, kinda. I think. Unless I'm wrong. Okay, we're moving on to the next question so we can find something better. Okay, which inequality, let me restart the poll. Which inequality does the sentence represent? When a number is divided by negative 3 and the quotient is decreased by 6, the result is more than negative 6. When a number, so let's write that down. When a number x is divided by negative 3 and the quotient or the answer, ang quotient is the answer of this whole thing, is decreased by 6, so minus 6, then the result is more than negative 6. So, yes, I post everything on YouTube. Make sure to check it out. Are you gonna leave na, bro? No skeko. Okay, so from here, guys, all we have to do is solve for this. Oh, is the answer here na? We don't have to solve for it, but that's x minus 3 minus 6 is greater than 6, which is letter C. So no need to solve for that one. The answer is just letter C. Amazing. Mali na pindot ko. It's okay. It's okay. The answer is letter C. Okay, org work. Okay, goodbye, bro. No skeko. Gets. Okay, moving on to the next one. We're almost done with algebra, guys. Let's move on to the next one. Restarting the poll. If x is less than 3, which of the following statements are always true? X less than 3. X is non-negative. Is this always true? The answer is no, kasi possible na negative 1 is less than 3. So that's a no. X is non-positive. This is also a no, because it's possible that 2 is less than negative 3. And then now let's try this. 3x is greater than or equal to x. What does that mean? So 3 raised to x is greater than or equal to x. Let's give an example. If x is 1, if x is equal to 1, 3 raised to 1 is equal to 3. So is 3 greater than 1? Yes. Okay. Now let's try 2. Let's try 2. 2, 3 raised to 2, 3 raised to 2 is equal to 9. 9 is greater than 2. Okay. Now let's try negative 1. 3 raised to negative 1 is equal to 1/3. 1/3 is greater than negative 1. So, I'm just trying out different numbers at work. I think letter C is correct. But let's try letter D to be sure. Let's try letter D. X is less than or equal to x squared. I think this is wrong kasi kapag negative yung number, wait, x is less than or equal to. So let's try an x. Let's put a sample of x here and x squared. So we have 2, 1, 0, negative 1. This will be 4. This will be 1. This will be 0. This will be 1. I think this is also right. Is this right? Where will it not work? Oh, we should write a list of everything also. Dito. Let's write a list here. We have x is greater than, like, 3x is greater than or equal to x. So if we have 2, 1, 0, negative 1, negative 2. Oh, no. Wait. 3 and 4, I think they're both correct. Pwede pala dalawang tama. I thought isa lang. So I think 3 and 4 is correct. Can we go with letter D? How about 3 raised to 0? Let's see. 3 raised to 0 will be equal to 1, and 1 is still greater than 0. So the question says 3x is greater than or equal to x. And yung x mo doon ay 0. So, bigger pa rin yung 1 sa 0. Gets? Gets pa gets. So, gumagana pa rin siya for that one. For x is equal to 0. Do we get that? Do we get that? Okay, gets. So the answer is yes and yes. The answer is letter D. Letter D is the answer. Pinopost po ba? Yes, we post lives on YouTube. I think we have like 24 days of live na so far. We're cooked? No, we're not cooked. We can get through this together, everybody. Yes. Okay. You're welcome, Ryu. You can also check out the free reviewers if you want to study on your own. There are free reviewers on the Instagram channel. How do you remember everything and how to solve it? That's a good question. I feel like I'm just pretending I know and then we fake it till we make it. We're solving along the way. Okay. Number 33. Oh, let's go back to, wait lang, check ko nga if nagawa na natin sa part 1. We skipped this part last time, but I guess we're gonna discuss it today. So we're gonna go through relations and functions. So, I didn't want to do the main and range, but yes. Relations and functions, what does this even mean? A function is a type of relation. That's what I know for sure. So a relation is just any group of x and y values. You can cram 34 days is so much, guys. You know, most people start studying 2 weeks before. So you're still ahead by 20 days. You're still ahead by 20 days. Sorry. Okay, game. So, determine the range of the relation. Range is just the set of all y values. The set of all y values. So, lahat lang ng y is just, diba, this is in the form x comma y. So, we're just looking at 4, negative 5, and 1. 4, negative 5, 1 is letter D. So, the answer is letter D. Did we get that? Think you're following. If you're new here, make sure to follow. Do we see what we did there? Okay. So we're just looking at the range. Yung domain naman is the set of all x. Okay, next. Determine which of the following relations is a function. How do we know when a relation is a function? Hmm. Kapag, I think, kapag isa lang yung y, tama ba? May ganun yun eh. Dapat isa lang yung, you know the vertical line test, right? The vertical line test. Dapat, kapag nag-form ka ng isang ganun, for every x, isa lang yung y. Tama ba? Dapat ganyan siya. Meaning, what does that mean? Alin yung hindi dapat na ulit? Yung y or yung x? Dapat, pwedeng madaming x. Ay, pwedeng madaming y. Isa lang yung x? May ganun, wait lang. It goes like this. I think for every x, isa lang yung y. Tama ba? Y, oh, what are you saying? Y yung what? Yung naulit. Madaming x, isang y. Okay. Pwedeng madaming x, isang y lang. Okay. Tama ba yun? Yes, tama. Pwede madaming x, isa lang yung y. So, which of these is a function? I think dapat hindi siya y squared, right? So, this is y squared, this is y squared, this is y squared. The only thing that's not y squared is this. And this is actually a parabola, right? Kasi in conic sections, have you guys studied conic sections? Yes, many is to 1. Tama, many is to 1. So, the only one with no y squared is letter A. Tama ba? Only one x. Many x, 1 y. So, 1 y lang ang pwede. We see what we did? So, this all has y squared. But this is not y squared. So, this is the answer. Gets. Okay. Let me blow my nose, guys. Sipon. Okay. Number 35. Wow, this was so easy. I don't know why I skipped it. Okay, let's keep going. Given the function f is equal to x is equal to x squared, what is the value of the expression? What? F of x, so there's no equal sign over here. F of x is equal to x squared. What's the value of f of 2? So, ang gagawin natin is we're gonna square, then square, then square. Okay? So, let's solve it one by one. What's f of 2 muna? F of 2 is equal to 2 squared, which is equal to 4. So, yung f of this one, this is the f of the first one. F of second one is f of 4. Kasi 4 ito. This is 4. F of 4 is equal to 4 squared, which is equal to 16. And lastly, we bring down the final f. F of 16 is equal to 16 squared, which is equal to 256. So the answer is letter D. Letter D, amazing. That was so easy. Okay, we're gonna go back to. I'm trying to not do the logarithms, but let's see if we can do it. Okay. Okay, let's go to the other relations and functions. Look away, baka mahilo kayo. Okay, we're going to the other test na relations and functions also. Which of the following relations is a function? Sabi, many x to 1y. So, dapat 1y only. Teacher to student is not kasi this is the x and madaming y. Okay? Student to family name, is that right? I think child, one many x to one parent. Or two ba yung parents? Parent, child. Are there two parents or just one? Oh, what about the mother to child? X to Y. Student to family name. I don't know, this kind of relative. It's either B or C. Is it B or C? Okay, we're putting up the poll for the people who want to answer. Check out the poll, it's somewhere over there. C ba? Kasi dapat pwede madami X, isang Y. Siguro, one mother can have many child or family name per student, just one family name. Assuming, assuming, yes, I think it's B. Is it B? Or C? Parang one student, a student only has one family name. Tama ba? A student only has one family name. And pwedeng two students magka-same family name na isa. So, di ba, pwede madami si X, dapat si Y isa. Many is to one. So, yung mother, one is to many yan. One to many. So, I think it's letter B. Is it letter B? Did you guys get letter B? B kasi pwede many students magkaroon ng same family name. Okay, I think it's letter B too. Kasi yes. Yung C is 1 is to 1 yan. C is 1 is to 1. So, technically function din yung 1 is to 1. What do you think? What do you think? Paano, paano pumasa ng upcat? Hello, Iskar. Welcome to the live. You should hang out with us so you can pass the upcat. Kung children sana. 1 is to 1 is this one. 1 is to 1. I think it's B or C. Skip? We skip. This is the thing we learn in the upcat. How to skip the questions. I think it's B or C. B or C. Okay, there. Kasi 1 is to 1 ito. 1 to 1. Or 1 to many. Pag 1 to many, mali siya. Dapat many to 1. I think this one's the answer. I'm more on letter B for that one. Okay, let's answer number 34. This one's a harder question. I'm restarting the poll for this one. Given f of x is equal to x cubed and g of x is equal to 6 minus 5x squared, find f of g of x. Alam nyo meaning nitong circle over here? So let's not multiply. Ang meaning ng f of that, of g, is just the same thing as g of x, tapos nested yung f of x. F of g of x. Ganyan siya. F of g of x. So what we have to do is get g of x and then cube natin siya. So it will be this one. Letter A. Did you get letter A? Trick question. Oh, you're saying trick question yung kanina. Yes, it's letter A. Letter A? Hindi same yun sa letter C, okay? Yes, it's letter A, guys. So, you just get this, tas i-cube mo siya. Basically, ang sinasabi is this whole thing is x. So, ang ginagawa is i-cube mo siya. Kasi sabi dito, ang gagawin sa function f ay i-cube. So, 6 minus 5x squared cube, which is letter A. Oh, that was so easy, so easy. Thank you for following. If you're new here, make sure to follow. No need to expand. No need if nandito na sa choices. Kasi if we expand yung cube, four terms yan. And in the choices, I can see walang expanded form here. Hindi ito yung expanded version niya, guys. That's not the expanded version of this cube. Okay? It's a binomial cube. Remember, binomial cube is in the form. Hindi siya difference of two cubes. Is it all choices, no essays? No essays in the OPCAT, in the ASET or the Ateneo exam, merong essay. All choices, yes. Everything has a choice. So my suggestion is you guys should shotgun. If you don't want to study at all, just hula hula everything. Don't leave any blanks. Pwede rin siya mabaligtad kapag naging GOF. If GOF, kung ano yung mas malapit sa X, diba? Let's try GOF daw. If we're gonna do GOF, this becomes of X to of X. This becomes G of F of X. So actually, iba yung sagot niyan, guys. So what we're gonna do is get X cubed, and then yun naman, ipapasok siya over here. So paano natin ipapasok dyan? Basically, kung yung X, this is considered as X. So it's gonna become 6 minus 5 X cubed squared, which is 6 minus 5x raised to 6. So, that's actually letter B. Letter B yon kapag binaligtad. So, kung ano yung mas malapit sa X, yun yung mas nasa loob. So, B is the answer for this one. But, the answer for the actual question is letter A. Yes. Gets, Linda Walker. Was it Linda Walker? Okay. We gets. Okay, next. Last one. This is the last one. Oh, this one's so long. Okay, this is the last one. Determine which of the following are one-to-one functions. One-to-one just means na if you draw a horizontal line, you're not gonna pass 2 points like this, right? You're not gonna pass 2 points. And if you draw a vertical line, you're also not gonna pass 2 points like that. So this one passes the vertical line test, pero it doesn't pass the horizontal line test. As you can see, it passes 2 points. So what about this one? This also does not pass the horizontal line test, so it's not 1:1. Kayo ba 1:1 ba kayo? Joke lang. This one, does this one pass? This one barely passes. Like, it passes. Oh, it doesn't. Never mind. This one also doesn't pass. Yes naman. Wow, sana alls. And then this one does pass. So obviously this is the answer. This one doesn't hit anything. Doesn't hit anything. So the answer is 3 only. 3 is the only one that is 1:1. Hello, walang 3. What's the question? Oh, are 1:1? What walang 3? What? 3 is not even in, walang 3 in any of the choices. What is wrong with this book? But this book is good. This book is good for lessons because it has lessons. Basta ito yung sagot, this answer. Let's not mind the choices. We have to, I know. Let's not look at the red flags of this book. Wala sa choices. The answer is 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 3. Okay. I can't review. I'm gonna fail. You're not gonna fail. That's why we're here together. Make sure to watch with us. Trust me, guys. Trust me. Yes. Okay, are we gonna go through exponents? Are we gonna go through exponents? Hmm. I don't know, guys. I don't know if we can do this. Log 5, 3x plus 10 is equal to 4. What does that even mean? Okay, fine. We're gonna learn this together, guys. So you have to be... We're gonna learn this together. So log 5, 3x plus 10 is equal to 4. Now, what does this mean? I do not know yet as of this moment. But what we're gonna do is we're gonna try to solve it. How are we gonna solve it? I still don't know. But we're gonna let's look at the lesson. That's why we love this book because it has lessons. So, kapag daw properties of a logarithm, log ax plus b is equal to log xa plus log xb. Hmm. But what we have is log. I don't know. I don't know how to solve. Oh, wait. I can do this. What we need to remember is this one. Log A. Diba log 5 siya? Log 5 something is equal to 4. So, ang meaning niyan is A, 5 raised to 4 is equal to whatever was inside. right? 5 raised to 4 is equal to whatever is inside. So let's go back. 5 raised to 4 is equal to whatever inside. So 8 raised to this, or 5 raised to this, 5 raised to 4, this one over this one is equal to 3x plus 10. Okay, guys, we're making progress. 3x plus 10. Yes, yes, yes. And then, what do we do? Let's solve for it. 5 raised to 4 is 625. 625. Tama ba? Yes. Is equal to 3x plus 10. And then move this to the other side. It will be 615. 615 is equal, or 625 minus 10 is equal to 3x. And then move it here. 615 is equal to 3x. Divide both sides by 3, and we'll get x is equal to 205. Wow, we solved that together, guys. Actually, it's not so hard. See, that's the amazing thing about math. We can solve it together. Now, how will we do this without a código? I do not know. How will we solve this? You should learn log. But, yes, that's the answer. The answer is letter B. Wow, we solved that. I love it too. We solved that one together. Okay, shotgun though. Skip that number, guys. Okay, let's try this next one. Did we understand? Who doesn't understand? Base method, base answer equals exponent. Kaya yan. Okay, kaya yan. Pero wala namang lumalabas na log masyado, I think. What about this one? Kung ang 2x ay katumbas ng y, ano ang katumbas ng x 8 raised to x minus 1? So, kung 2x is equal to y, how do we go from 2x to 8x raised to 1? So what we're gonna do is make them the same base. 34 days left is crazy. I'm so cool. Solve together, not in the actual exam. I'm gonna be there, guys. I'm gonna be with you in spirit. Make sure to buy a Yum Burger and distract the people next to you. Okay? If we don't have enough days to study, then the best you can do is distract the people beside you. Okay? You buy chicharon with suka. Like like that. You're gonna eat while they're taking the exam. Yes, yes, yes. Okay, so let's have 8x minus 1. Yung 8, pwede natin siya gawin. What is this in terms of 24 chicken? 24 chicken, maamoy ba yun? Pwede, pwede. Jack Daniels na 24 chicken. Yes, ganun yun. Eliminate the enemies if you can study. This 8 is also equal to 2 raised to 3. So we can write it as 2 raised to 3, and then raise lang siya to x minus 1, or multiply natin siya to x minus 1. So this can be written as 2 raised to 3x minus 3. Okay? 2 raised to 3x minus 3. Now what can we do to bring it back to this form? What can we do to bring it back to that form? 2x. I think we just, what can we do to make it look like this? Because yan daw yung y. Hmm. I think 2x. Can we separate the 2x? Oh, we can divide by, pwede tayo mag-divide by 3. Yes, we can divide by 3. Is this the answer? I think this is the answer. What's your answer? Oh, I'm gonna put up the poll, guys, for everybody who wants to answer. We're gonna go through it. So, ano ba meaning ng, di ba, for example, ihiwalay muna natin tong negative 3. How does it become negative 3? We can just multiply this by 2 raised to negative 3, right? Let's multiply that to 2 raised to negative 3. Kasi kapag may multiply na same base, pwede sila ipagsama, okay? So, that's how we hiwalay them. And then, after we hiwalay them like that, this can be rewritten as, so dahil 2x is y, 2x is equal to y, this one is just y cubed. Tama ba? Y cubed ito. This one is y cubed. And then ito naman, we just put it under. So this is y cubed, which is this one. Y cubed over 2 cubed. Kasi negative siya. So which is the same thing as making it y over 2 cubed. So I did not know how to solve it, but you can look at the choices. So that's a good thing about the UpCat. Everything has choices. You look at the choices and then you base the choices. Which one looks right sa choices? Now, so I saw the choices and I was like, I'm gonna find a way to get my answer to become this. Do I get? Yes. Ang galing, pero bakit Tagalog? It's the Universidad ng Pilipinas. May Tagalog questions talaga, guys. Around 5% or 10. 5 to 10% daw yung Tagalog question. So, good luck na lang sa mga math questions. Pero feel ko mas mahirap yung reading comprehension. Like, reading comprehension in Tagalog, good luck na lang sa inyo. And then, so many parts dun is like, what is the meaning of this word? So, yeah. Is the philo part hard? My brother said, kaya naman. Kasi onti lang. For math. For reading, madami talaga for reading. I think 50%. Like, kalahati English, kalahati Filipino. So, good luck on that, everybody. Where to get practice tests? Welcome to the live. If you're new here, make sure to follow. We give out practice tests for free on our Instagram. So go to the Google Drive over there. I have an Instagram highlight, and then you can just check it out there. It is Tagalog. Okay, number 36. Let's restart the poll. Similar lang siya sa question kanina. So, feel ko kaya nyo na yan. More exponent questions. What is 8 raised to negative x if 8 raised to 2x is equal to 81? So, what I'm gonna do is find a way to make them, to get from here to here. Ano ginawa sa negative x para maging 2x siya? 2x. Tama ba? Or we can just all put it in the form. Hmm. Hmm. I think. Okay, that's what I'm gonna do. That's what I'm gonna do. See, this is why I don't want exponents, guys. Okay, but I can do this. I can do this. How do we get from 8x, negative x, to 8 times 2 raised to x? One thing I'm seeing, just based on the choices, guys. If based on the choices, I'm assuming 1cx. If 1cx, ay hindi pwede kasi 8x equal. Okay, what we have to do, again, let's turn this into 2. This into a base. Never mind. This one will be, what's the closest thing this can be? This can be 9. 9 raised to 2. 9 squared. It can also be 3 raised to 4. Pero anong connect niya sa 8? Is there any way that we can make it the same base? Or wala? If wala, I think the only way we can solve it is assuming this is a something that turns this into 9. That's what I'm assuming. 9 squared, 8. Everything is 8. So, I don't know what to do. Wait, let me think about this. 8 squared is equal to 81. But we're looking at a negative x. And if we're looking at a negative x, this is the only one with a negative number, I think. Right? Shotgun daw. The only one with a negative. Kasi pag raised to negative, it becomes a denominator, right? Oh, do we skip? Are we voting skip? We should make letter E skip. That should be our answer. E. Regine Velasquez. What time end live? We end the live when my grab order comes. Let's look. Arriving by 8:25 daw. Okay, malayo pa siya, guys. Let's look at my grab order. Out for delivery pa lang siya. 8:25. So we're extending the live. Na para bang Among Us. Guys, I love Among Us. I'm gonna show you next time. I have an Among Us collection. What did you order? I ordered chicken because I wanna eat chicken. Video for exponential? That's a good question, Jericho. I'll get back to you on that. Okay, let me write that down. Do we want a video on the rules of exponential? Ang pangit kasi nito, guys. Hindi na natin yan need aralin. I believe I was told at work to choose your battles. What does choose your battles mean? It means learning when to give up on choose your battles. Like, I'm gonna study this. I'm gonna prioritize this. And you have 34 days left. So in that time, what can we study? I believe we don't need logarithms. Let us abolish impeach logarithms. We don't need this. We just need algebra. We need geometry. We need right triangles. Madaming right triangles sa UPCAT. Those are the things we have to study. Okay, let's answer 37. If I can't answer this, it's okay. The value of x in the equation is x is equal to log 6, 1. What does that mean? Oh, wait. Oh, kapag anything log 1 is equal to 0, right? So, this will be 6 raised to x is equal to 1. So, anything log 1 is equal to 0. Wow, we got one right. We got one right. Let me put up a reaction for that. How do I do this again? Where's that? Me when logarithms? Me when I have to answer logarithms? Okay. No, but we got it right though. Answer set is C for this one. Okay. Do we have to do this? Let's look at this one. Perform the indicated operation and write the result in standard form. What does that mean? What does that mean? So let's just try to solve it, guys. Let's try to solve this. 3 plus 2i squared. Huh? So this will be 3 squared plus 2. 2ab is just 2i times 3 plus 2i squared. 2i squared. Okay, okay, okay. We're getting somewhere. We know that I squared, guys. Complex numbers, I is equal to negative, square root of negative 1, right? I is equal to square root of negative 1. So what I'm doing here is a plus b squared. We're just using the normal formula of a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. Okay, so that's what we're doing. We're doing a squared plus b squared plus 2ab plus b squared. So this will be 3 squared is 9 plus, oh, do you want the poll? Does anybody want to answer? Do you guys have the answer? You can vote in the poll. It's over here. Hello, Mickey Mouse. You're not, you're kind of late, but we're still gonna go live for maybe 30 or 40 more minutes. So you can stick around. And then let's multiply this one. This will be 6 times 2 is 12i. And then this one, guys, ang mangyayari dito is we're gonna square both of this. 2 squared is 4. And then I squared is equal to negative 1. So, mawawala yung square root niya. So, this will become negative 4 actually. So, that's negative 4. So, 9 minus 4 is equal to 5 plus 12i, which over here is letter C. Wow, that was so much easier. Let's not do logarithms ever again. So, the answer is letter C. Do we get it? Kasi yung I is square root of negative 1. So, kapag skinware yung square root, mawawala yung square root. So, may iwan si negative 1. Physics next time, that's a good suggestion. But right now, I have no brains for physics. To be fair, guys, when I went to a science high school, tapos in that time, parang twice kami hindi nabigyan ng teacher. I don't know if you've been to a public school, but sometimes just the entire year, wala kang teachers. Minsan ganun. So, sa science high school, every quarter, iba't iba yung science. So, there's physics, chem, earth sci, and biology. And one whole quarter, we had no teacher. And then we just didn't learn. But, so, physics in science is the weakest, like, everybody's weakest link, even my friends. As in, walang teacher. Like, may nag-quit na teacher and walang papalit. But that's why the the education system in the Philippines is very flawed, and we hope it gets fixed soon. True better leadership. Okay, let's go answer this last one. The last one for our algebra, guys, and then we're gonna move on to geometry. Geometry. Saan po makikita yan? My mic? Is my mic bad? I was trying to connect my mic, guys, and it wasn't connecting. So I'm gonna try again. Yes, we upload your live. Welcome to the live. We have a new person here. Welcome, A. Yes, we upload our lives every day. I'll upload it later sa YouTube. We've been going live for like almost 20 days, and we still have 34 days left. So make sure to come back every day after school around 8 to 9 p.m. I'm trying to turn on my I'm trying to turn on my mic. Let me just. It's not turning on, sorry. I'll fix it later. I'll fix it later. But the mic is not working. Why do you think it's not working? My DJI mic. Anyway. Oh, wait. I don't know how to do it. Hello? Hello? Okay, we're moving on to the last number. I'm gonna put up the poll. So, restarting the poll. And then, I think I can. The mic's still not working. Default RX. Okay. I'll fix the mic maybe tomorrow. Bakit hindi na minus yung 4 sa 1? Where are we looking? Number 38. How do we answer number 38? Express square root of negative 17 in the form bi, where b is a real number. What would b is the meaning? So, ano daw yung b? So, anong i-multiply? So, we know that I is equal to square root of negative 1. So, anong i-multiply sa square root of negative 1 para maging square root of negative 17? Do we multiply mic test? No, the mic's not working. Do we multiply 17 or square root of 17? Who knows the answer? The answer is we're just gonna multiply square root of 17. When you multiply square root of 17 to square root of I, di ba, pag same yung square root, pwede sila i-multiply sa loob. So, that's equal to square root of negative 17. So, the answer is letter B. Okay? The answer is letter B. Kasi negative 1, square root of negative 1 na si I. So, the answer is letter B. Happy Pride! Oh, yes, happy Pride, everybody. Oh, my foot. Pride is almost done, but we must celebrate Pride even outside of Pride Month. I wonder where I used to have a Pride flag on the back of my room. Are we doing geometry? Yes. Bakit hindi C? Kasi negative 17 yan. What happens if it's negative 17? Negative 17 square root times I, which is negative square root of 1. This one's equal to positive 17. Okay? It's just basic algebra. When you, radicals multiply. No, we're not done with trigo. We're gonna do jump. So we're just starting jump today then. And then we're gonna start on trigo after that. Gets. Shall we move on, everybody? Are you ready to move on? Okay, the answer is letter B. Yes. Okay, we're gonna end the live so I can start the recording for Jom. Is that okay? We're gonna start the recording for Jom para pag sa YouTube, geometry lang yung start ng video. Does that make sense? Okay. Does that make sense? So that when I post it, this one's the end of algebra, and then we uploaded on YouTube the recordings. So that's because the recording does not stop in between. So I'm gonna end it. Come back in like 1 minute. I'm just gonna restart the live. Okay, see you all there. Come back. If you don't come back, I'm gonna hunt you. Bye.